Ay, what's up mga pamangkins? Ito na naman pong yung adventurerong Yokits, rock and roll. So ito, meron tayong panibagong unboxing series para sa ating Monster Trio. So meron tayo rito the Grand Line Series or GLS, Yukata version ng Monster Trio. So tara, buksan na natin tong malupit ng figure na to. Rock and roll. Alright, so first up, para sa ating DXF, the Grand Line Series or GLS, Yukata version, unboxing series. Of course, the captain himself, the Sun God, Monkey D. Luffy. So tara, buksan na natin itong malupitang figure na to. Rock and roll. So ito, galing to sa MCKC. Kapag MCKC, MISB, MIB, brown box. Sealed na sealed to. And of course, since international release siya, hindi siya yung mga gold sticker. So white print na siya. Ito yung mga bagong release. Sa mga old releases, old international releases, itong markings na to, itong print na to, sticker pa siya. Pero sa mga bago, recent, ano na siya, parang print na. Pero sa mga Japan release, yung mga gold stickers, sticker pa din siya. And itong Yukata version, parang ito yung, based to sa attire nila, attire ng Monster Trio, nung paalis na sila ng Wano. I think, yung episode 1082 if I'm not mistaken, yung time na nandun din si Green Bull and Shank is within the vicinity of Wano. Ito yung outfit na yung bandang nasa cliff silang tatlo. And I think dapat nandun din si Jinbe. Nandun si Jinbe, pero bakit walang release? So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Ayan, kanyang iconic na straw hat with the scar. Ayan, yung tatlong damage dun sa courtesy of Buggy. Of course, markings. Authentic yan, syempre. And additional markings sa figures, sa figure itself. Ayan. And so nothing much sa figure. Alright. So then take a closer look here. Okay, Monkey D. Luffy, Yukata version. Of course, iconic color niya is red. Okay, kanyang typical na sandals. So different nitong suot niyang Yukata compared dun sa unang salang niya sa Wano. Yung pinihiram sa kanya ni tawag dito pangalan nun, bata o tama, hindi ko na makalimutan. Ayan, kanyang iconic straw hat, pati yung damage courtesy of Buggy the Clown. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. High test. So, si Luffy is at 17.5, 17.5 centimeters. So, roughly close 7 inches. Okay? There you have it. DXF, the Grand Line Series, or GLS, Yukata version. Monkey D. Luffy. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. So next up, para sa ating DXF, the Grand Line Series or GLS Yukata version unboxing series, meron tayo ritong Ronoroa Zoro. So tara, buksan na natin itong malupitang figure na to. Rock and roll. Zoro. So ayan, MI pa. And then white marking, white print kasi international release siya. Then brown box. Kita nyo naman, sealed na sealed pa. And again, base itong character, yung attire ng character sa episode 1082, if I'm not mistaken. Yung paalis na sila ng Wano. Yung nasa clip silang 3. Actually 4 eh. Alam ko andun si Jinbe, if I'm not mistaken. Fortunately, hindi na-releasean ng si Jinbe ng gantong figure. Then markings, of course. Hanap tayong additional markings sa figure. Most likely dapat meron yan. Ay, walang panty-check. Sad. Markings sa torso. Ayun. Then additional markings or marking, isa lang pala. Additional marking. That's Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Kay Ronoroa Zoro. Of course, ang kanyang iconic na scar sa left eye. So it was not been proven yet na si Mihawk nga may gawa dyan. Ang kanyang iconic na 3 swords, 3 katanas. Of course, donning his color, which is green. So iba na naman yung version ng kimono nila o yung yukata nila compared sa unang dating nila sa Wano. Zoro being Zorojuro. Alright. Siyempre, di mawawala. High test. Zoro. Ba, medyo matangkad si Zoro, ah. 20 centimeters. So that's about 8 inches. Alright. And there you have it. DXF, the Grand Line Series or GLS Yokata version Tonorowa Zoro. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. Alright, so next up, para sa ating DXF, the Grand Line Series or GLS Yokata version ng Monster Trio. Meron tayo ritong figure ni Vinsmoke Sanji. So tara, buksan na natin itong malupitang figure na to. Rock and roll. Alright, so ayan, nakita nyo naman. International release, white marking or white print. And then MIP, may brown box. Sealed na sealed yung figure. Then marking sa base. Nangyari, ay mag-focus. Yan. Siyempre, authentic yan. Additional marking sa figure itself. Yon. Close up natin sa mukha ni Sanji, hindi kita yung actually kita yung mata niya na natatakpan ng ng buhok niya, ayan yan nakita Pansin ko lang sa figure na to wala yung iconic na Yosi ni Sanji. Wala siyang Yosi somewhere. Usually meron So parang first to. So wala masyadong ganap here. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here kay Vinsmoke Sanji. Of course, ang kanyang iconic eyebrow. Donning his blue color. Again, iba to sa una niyang kimono na suot bilang Sanggoro or Soba Mask vendor. Yung yellow and black stripe ba yun? Ayan. Tapos yung mata niya medyo kita. Ayan. So, in fairness, wala yung iconic Yoshi niya. Wala siyang Yoshi dito sa figure na to. Alright. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. High test. Sanji. Oh, alis katangkaran lang ni Zoro. 20 centimeters. So, roughly about 8 inches in height. Okay? You have it. DXF, the Grand Line Series, or GLS, Yukata version, Vinsmoke Sanji. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video na ito, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, pindutin lang ang thumbs up icon sa baba, at syempre mag-subscribe. Pindutin na din ang bell para hindi kayo maunahan ng mga marites. At kung sobrang nag-enjoy o meron kayong gustong isuggest, please leave a comment below. On to the show! Rock and roll! And there you have it. DXF, the Grand Line Series, GLS, Yukata version, Monster King. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll.
To toss some balls and I'm gunning with a bang. Gulping pride to wreck my future. Your grandson has other plans. You should know you can't conduct me. I'm a rubber man. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight, cause we're monsters. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight, cause we're monsters. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight, cause we're monsters.